She's not gonna get past through here. Take care.
Have you caught anything?
No. Relax. Relax. She's getting wild over here. Because a lot of dogs right there. Go. Go. No, let her. No, she can't go that far no more. We out here in OB. The boy Scar again coming through with another collab with the videos. We had all that to walk. That's at least how many blocks from? I would say it is a mile. So like a couple, 3, 4, 5 blocks. Damn. We got some baby shads up in the bait. Some spider wire. We got some gulp, but we ain't using that right now. We should try it, but we ain't using that right now. Let me show you guys my little kit right here. I got these hooks. I got these other hooks with the eye on them. Other hooks, little weights. I don't need them. Another like a little extension hooks. I need to know more, man. I'm a rookie, you guys. I'm a rookie, okay? I'm a rookie. He's a rookie. We a rookie. We started this shit. Bella, you crazy ass. You been behaving bad all day. Ooh, I know what you see right there. Let it be, mamas. Let it be. Come on, baby. No, don't be doing that. So I moved my freaking rod over here because I wasn't getting anything over there. So if I go like that, I could probably like... Hey! Come here, mamas. Come here. Vente. This way. This way. Vente. Vente, mamas. Venga. Go. Go this way. Run over there. Run over there. Run. Let's go. Stop. Stop. Ben. Bella. Ma'am. Beautiful day in San Diego, man. Beautiful day. Marine. Huh? Marine.
We've been here for 5 hours and this guy having cat shit. What the fuck is going on?
We're using some baby shads. I don't know why it's not working. They're fucking good as hell. They were $10. And we got these gulps. They didn't work for shit too. We've been 5 hours. I went 3 with these and 2 with these. But we got some bullshit.
I really think he's trying to catch a fucking shark.
I'm trying to catch something. You know what I mean? I'm trying to catch something. Take something home. I'm not gonna go home empty-handed. I'm actually keep going like that.
I think he's trying to catch Cinderella.
What?
A mermaid. You trying to catch mermaid or
I'm trying
what?
to catch a mermaid, not Cinderella. Fool. Cinderella don't live it. That's what's her fucking
Mermaid.
name? No.
Yeah, Sirena.
Sirena.
Sirena, yeah.
All right. Yeah.
Go buy some beers, fool.
We should go buy some beers.
Yeah.
How about you go buy the beers, bro? I don't have money no more.
That's for what?
But yeah. We need to go to a lake instead next time. We're gonna go to a small lake.
Let's go. Yeah, let's get the fuck out of here, fool.
You wanna leave already?
But look at the beautiful beach, though. Bella.
What's your mama's? Get your hand out the way.
Anyways, so What are you doing, bro? Bruh.
I'm trying to catch a fucking fish out here, man.
It's not gonna happen. I think it's not gonna happen.
The guy looks like he's a professional. I'm gonna go ask him how good these are. I'll be back.
Man, he's gonna say this.
Are you zooming in?
Hey,
Alright guys, I'm back home. Chilling already, got in the shower, got out. Baby girl's tired. You're tired, mama. You're tired. You're tired, huh? I'm gonna let you go to sleep, cutie pie. Go. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. You're tired, huh? You tired, mamas? You're tired. Okay. I'll let you go to sleep. Dormite. Well, I could have easily looked it up, but it's funny how I got the name from someone. So I had stopped a whole little group of people. I guess there were some students or something. I don't know, friends, whatever. I told them, hey, I'm sorry, you guys. This is like a really random ass question, but what is the name of Disney, the mermaid? And they said, all of them said Ariel. I told my friend, I told Oscar, how the fuck two guys couldn't figure out what the fucking name was when it took at least 15 to 10 people to say the name, bam, at once. They all said, Ariel. We were shocked, like, God damn, I must be watching some Disney right now or something. We left empty-handed, and that does it. And, yeah, I'm just going to be doing little random-ass videos, man. If I can't do pranks, I can't do pranks. I can do pranks. I haven't used my time right to make a prank, to go out there and, like, ask for like help, like my plan to prank one of my family members by towing their truck. Damn, that takes a lot, man. But I could do it right away. It's just that I'm too greedy. I don't feel like fucking paying the damn tow truck, or I could just ask him for a favor for a video. I'm just too greedy to ask the tow truck guy. Like, I don't even want to pay for the, like, you know, I just might as well ask him for a favor. And yeah, but you know, until next time, I'll try to catch something. And baby girl's gonna be coming with me again too. I'm probably gonna be taking her to the lake instead. Buy me like a stick or something so that she won't be able to get out. Or I don't know, cause when I took her up there to the pier, I was able to wrap her leash. I got 2 leashes. I was carrying 2 leashes. I don't know if you guys can see how long that shit is. It's really long. It's really long. So, yeah. Well, till next time. Sorry for the light, you guys. All right, SOG. And I'm about to go. Chill, relax, till time to go to work. And I'll see you guys till next time. Late.